Alright, so we was just riding out in the pasture, check on that calf and the cows and stuff, and we stopped up here at my mama-in-law's, and she is making biscuits, so I was going to show y'all how she does it. Alright, so about how much flour you got in a bowl?
I guess it's 2.5 cups.
About 2.5 cups.
And this is just going to be like this.
She don't measure.
Well,
Like like a lot of us.
I don't measure, but I hold it in my hand. And when I get about that much, I know I got about enough. So, then I just make me a puddle. And I just pour.
Gemini Homestead, if you're watching that, you say she's got your same little trick with the plastic wrap. She does that too, so it's easy cleanup.
Yes, it is. Then I just work it until I get all this up.
And I would say this newer generation's been spoiled by gadgets, because I've always been told, and I used to do it way more than I do it now, that your hands are your best tools. And most of the older generation, you see, they use their hands because you feel what's going on. That's right.
Mm-hmm. Well, I do.
I tell you who could make some good biscuits was her mama.
My sister.
Yeah, Nana can too. Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, she makes them like Grandma, kind of, don't she?
Yeah. Yeah, she makes them like Mother. But I can't make them.
Oh, you make good biscuits.
Oh, no, I don't. And I don't use a roller. But a lot of people do.
Yeah. I do most of the time. Depends on how my dough feels.
Yeah.
Or how my hands are doing. And the #1 selling old-time biscuit cutter is the Vienna sausage can. I've used it. I have known many, many people to use it.
Right. And the roll is that, it's what the spam comes in when you cut your rolls. And this is the big fat biscuit that everybody likes.
So, how long do you cook them for and what temperature?
Well, my stove is 415. And I could usually get done. I don't know how long.
So you checking the bottom because what are you gonna do? Put it on broil? I've been in about 10 minutes. She's like the only person that I know that can cook on this rack this low and everything turns out perfect. I always burn everything on bottom. Alright, so she moved them up and it was on 415 and now she's putting it on broil.
Beginning to start to brown now.
Yeah. I'll take a minute. You want me to get them out?
You go like you go from
They are.
Yummy, yummy in our tummy.